Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 24 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is anything that blows in the wind. And I've got these bees and flowers, and I've got these balloons, not sure exactly what I'll use. Something written in your non-dominant hand, and I wrote out kindness with my left hand. I'm right-handed. Something red. I've got these roses, and I've got this rit-rack, a piece of dictionary page. I've got the scrap dictionary page, a picture from a magazine. I've got this guy in a hammock from a magazine, and the bonus is a measurement. So I've got this clock since it measures time. So I hope y'all are all doing great. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP24 to see what everyone else has made. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here it is. I've got anything that blows in the wind. I've got these balloons, and I've got the bee and the flowers. Something written in your non-dominant hand. I've got kindness wrote here. Something red. I've got the red rit-rack and the red roses. A piece of dictionary page. I've got this in the background. Picture from a magazine. I've got this, and it's got the red hammock. And the bonus is a measurement, and I've got this clock which measures time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CWP24 to see what everyone else has made. So until next time, bye y'all.